Yes, Mr. R.S. Mishra.
My lord, matter relates to cancellation of GST registration, my lord.
Huh?
GST registration, my lord. My registration was cancelled, my lord, because of non-filing of returns for a continuous period of 6 months, my lord. After I have complied all the defaults, my lord, I have filed my returns, my lord. I am paying for revocation, my lord. I could not file appeal because my the period of filing appeal has become time barred, my lord.
So, there is no condonation.
They can condone the delay up to 1 month only. Beyond that, they do not have the power to condone, my lord.
Is it so?
Section 107, my lord.
Down the hook.
Of the GST Act.
GST Act.
In item number, my lord, 17, the authority has dismissed the appeal on time bar only. I have 3 matters with my lord, same issue, my lord. Section
Yes.
107, my lord.
Yes.
Subsection 4, my lord.
May, if it is satisfied that the appellant was prevented by sufficient cause from preventer within the aforesaid period of 3 months or 6 months as the case may, allow it to be present within a further period of 1 month. Said decision within 3 months from the date on which the said decision or order is communicated to such person. You were communicated with that decision.
It was uploaded in the
Then why didn't you file it?
my lord. Requirement is that, my lord. First, I have to update all my returns, my lord. The returns could not be updated, my lord. It could be updated after 4 months only, my lord. That is the reason, my lord.
Huh?
Returns were updated after 4 months only, my lord. The order was passed, my lord, on 23, my lord. Returns were updated on, my lord.
No. Do you require to file your returns for filing an appeal?
My lord, the rule 23 provides, my lord, that before seeking revocation, I have to update all my returns, my lord.
No. I am asking you, for filing of the appeal, is it required that you have to update your returns?
That is not, but
Why should this court? Because it will be something like this. When the statute does not mandate, why should this court exercise the power under 226?
that's my lord. I am also challenging the original order, my lord.
Huh?
I am also challenging the original order. Both the orders I am challenging, my lord.
Yes.
In original order was the reason of cancellation was non-filing of returns, my lord. That defaults I have cured, my lord, now, my lord. And if my registration is revived, my lord, it will not penalize the government. Rather, it will help in collection of revenue, my lord. And I will because, my lord, registration was granted in 2019. Since 2019, my lord, I am continuing my business, my lord. This time I have defaulted, my lord, and I have cured all the defaults, my lord. It will not penalize the revenue, my lord, if my registration is allowed, my lord, to revoke, my lord. And my lord, there are judgments.
So if that be so, why should we not? Why didn't you approach the authority concerned, making the same submission?
They invariably dismiss the appeal. That's why they invariably, my lord, dismiss the appeal whenever they.
So they dismissed the appeal. Thereafter, there is no appellate authority. Then you could have come before this court.
That I ought to have done it, my lord. That I ought to have done it.
Then why all this coming out here? Because the 1 month has been fixed by the statute for a good reason.
My lord.
That there should not be delay, and it is from the date on which it is being communicated to you.
My lord.
So you have been given 3 months for that,
Yes,
and first 1 month of condonation. And the Supreme Court has, in the case of arbitration and conciliation at section 34, says that you can't extend it.
that's why, my
And now can we now take recourse? Just for example, in the case of arbitration,
my lord.
can we now say, oh, that 3 months or 3 plus 120 days is over, so let's entertain writ petitions? What do you say?
I am challenging the original one also, my lord.
So,
Suppose the appellate order is correct, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I cannot challenge the appellate order, my lord. But original order I can challenge because my defect was that only of non-filing of returns. Otherwise, it is not a case of fraud and other thing, my lord. It is just a default, my lord. That I have cured, my lord. Therefore, my lord, I am also challenging the original order, my lord.
where is the original order?
My lord, it is at page 24, my lord. At 25.
Here the order of page 25.
Lordship.
What is the reason?
No, Lordship may come to 24, page 24, notice.
No, forget about this. What is the reason given here?
No, Lordship, on the basis
No. What is the reason given here?
cancel following reason, registration is cancelled.
Huh? What is this? You are saying is of the opinion that your registration is liable to be cancelled for the following reason. Reason is registration cancelled.
Lordship, the notice.
No, forget about notice. This order, if Mr. Kyle just tell me if a notice contains everything, and the order says we are cancelling registration because the registration is cancelled.
That should have been given as per the notice.
You set aside this unnecessary type. and do whatever you like. We only set aside this, leaving the authorities to take necessary action and also take into consideration that in the meantime they have filed. I think that is the best way.
Lord, see what happened, there was a amnesty scheme. The registration which were cancelled up to 31st December 22, they were required to be restored up to that earlier it was June 2020.
No, his cancellation happened on 23/3/2000.
This scheme will also not cover.
No, we set aside this, giving the liberty to the authorities to take a call and also take into consideration that in the meantime the petitioner has filed his return.
Lord,
I think that is a win-win for both of you.
that will